Irene, and today I'm going to the car wash. So I'm gonna show you how we do car wash in the US. And look at my car, it's not clean, and you can see there's a little bit of dust. So I'm going to the car wash and let's see. So guys, it's been 2 months since I washed my car. You can see what the bird did on my car. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. We are here at the cashier because it's our first time to be here. It's a new place, so that's why we are, instead of credit, we are still not members, so we'll deal with cashier for now.
Yeah, so 8 will only give you a wash. It doesn't do anything to your tires, okay? With the 12, now you can see you're getting a wheel cleaner, and we give you a little bit more soap.
Okay.
Yeah.
And 15?
15, you're getting everything, except for you're not getting a higher pressure tire blast and the hot wax. So really the premium is still the best over the Worx, okay? Worx will get you everything, but it will also get you the hot wax, which everybody doesn't need, okay? So this is Brite Worx Car Washery. We are an express wash here in the St. Louis County area. We also have one wash in the Columbia, Illinois area. But basically, we serve the St. Louis County area for those who just want a simple, quick wash under 5 minutes or less. We have attentive associates always ready to assist all of our customers, and we also provide free vacuums for all of our customers to use on a daily, regular basis. So whenever you see one of our locations, stop on by and talk to us, or just purchase a wash to see how we will take care of your vehicle for you. Our main motto here is customer service, and to service our members of the community in the best way that we can. We are owned and operated by Wallace Oil Companies out of Cuba, Missouri. It's a family-owned business and operation that was established back in the late 1960s.
Wow.
So all of the mobile on-the-run gas stations and all of your dirt cheats are all owned by this company called Wallace, along with the Brite Worx Car Washery as well.
Wow. So do you mind if you just put your contact if someone wants to come over?
Sure.
Yeah.
If you do want to stop by at our Chesterfield location, we have 5 locations, but this is the Chesterfield location. We're at 14905 Clayton Road and Baxter Avenue. And our phone number, if you need to contact us, is 636-220-8517.
Thank you so much. And so you said here within St. Louis, you have how many branches?
We have 5 locations right now, with our 6th location opening up in the South County, called in the city of Crestwood.
Okay.
And that's going to be opening up middle of March.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So other locations are?
Yep, our other locations in the North County region, we have the Florissant location off of Lindbergh. We also have in Creve Coeur, we have our location off of Olive. And then, of course, we have in Rock Hill, we have our location off of Manchester. And then again, like I mentioned earlier, in Columbia, Illinois, we have our location there. And then our 6th one is coming in the middle of March in Crescent.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
So thank you so much.
No, and thank you for your time and for being, or for inquiring about who we are.
Oh yeah. So guys, if you want to wash your car or you want to visit this place, I'll put the contact down there. And as our friend
I am Terrell.
Terrell has given us the contact, and also feel free to call and ask for direction.
Yes, and ask anything about the wash, any questions that you may have in regards to the wash of your vehicle or the services that we offer and provide.
Okay, thank you so much.
No, thank you.
Yeah.
We do appreciate that. So.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Right.
So guys, make sure you visit this place. It's so nice. It's new. You can let me show you around and see. Yeah, and also I'll put the prices. I did the prices.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So feel free to visit this place. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it's done.
Wow.
Spotless clean.
That was a quick one. Brite Worx car wash. We are done with car wash. Now we are heading to gas station, and stay with us. So guys, here we are at the gas station, and the first step is to use your Visa card or credit card to make payment, which it will ask for PIN for it to authorize payment. So after that, it's gonna ask me if I want a car wash and also a receipt, which I'll select no to the car wash, and because I've just done a car wash. So receipt, yes, and also I'll select the grade. It's gonna ask me if I need a grade, which grade, which is Premier. I'm using Premier. So, and I'm gonna start foiling. So guys, I'm done for the day, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and also you can drop a comment and tell me what you want to watch next. I love you guys, and see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment. Bye.